Hello, all the observers under 5. Good morning. I hope you all are well in this pandemic coronavirus. Please stay home, stay safe, spend your quality time with the family member. You can give your quality time in your study also. I hope whatever homework I am giving you in maths and science, you are doing it on time because whenever school is going to open, I am going to ask all the homework which I am giving. So please be sincere and do all the homework on time. So today I am going to teach you new chapter in science, chapter 7, human skeletal and nervous system. Okay, human skeletal and nervous system. Okay, so first I will explain about skeletal system. So, the human skeletal system or skeleton is a framework of bones that give support to our body. The human skeletal system, or we say skeleton, is a framework. Framework means it is a structure. Okay, it is a framework of bones that give support to our body. Okay. So a baby, when a baby is born, it is born with 300 bones. Okay, and as one grows older, some of the small bone joint fuse together. An adult has 206 bones. When a baby is born, he has or she has 300 bones. But as he grew older, means adult, it becomes 206 bones. Why? Because when he grows, whatever the bones are there, they join. Because when baby grows, whatever the 300 bones are there, as they grow, whatever small bones are there, they join, means fuse, and it is changed into 206 bones. See, like whatever we are able to walk, we are able to sit, we are able to sleep, we are able to lie down. Okay, that is all with the help of our skeletal system and our muscular system. In this chapter, but you have to read about skeletal and nervous system. But walking, running, sleeping, whatever eating is all, it is helped due to our skeletal system and muscular system. So what consists? So a skeletal system consists skull. Okay, this part skull. Rib cage means this part. Okay, rib cage, and the backbone, this backbone, and limbs. Okay, limbs means from hair to hair. Okay, from hair to hair. From hair to hair, whatever bones are there, that is called upper limbs. And from here to our toe, whatever bones are there, that is called lower limbs. And last one is girders. Okay. Last one is girders. Okay. So girders, it is here. Okay. Here is the girdle where our this rib cage is joined. So first, what? So the human skeletal system or skeleton is a framework of bones that gives support to our body. Okay, so a baby is born with 300 bones. As they grew, okay, 206 bones. Why? Because when this baby grows, whatever small bones are there, they fuse, they join together, and they becomes 206 bones. So what skeletal system consists of? So the skeletal system consists of the skull, the rib cage, the backbone, the limbs, and the girdles. Okay. So 101 we will read about it all parts. Okay. So first we are going to read about skull. That is our this part. So the skull of an adult usually has 22 bones. Okay. So our this part, that is skull parts, means from here to here. Okay. It has how much bones? 22 bones. So the skull of an adult. Okay, of an adult usually has 22 bones. Now it protects the brain. The skull protects the brain. This skull protects the brain. The skull protects the brain. The skull can be divided into two main parts, the cranium and mandible. The skull can be divided in two parts, cranium and mandible. The cranium surrounds the brain, the largest part of the skull. Okay, so our skull is divided in two parts. Okay, two parts. Maybe one side brain and one side upper. So after this, it can be, our skull can be divided in two parts, cranium and mandible. So the cranium which surrounds the brain. The cranium which surrounds the brain. The cranium which surrounds the brain and is the largest part of the skull. Is the largest part of the skull. And the mandible is the lower jaw, also known as the jaw bone. And this mandible is lower jaw, that is also known as the mandible is lower jaw, that is also called jaw bone. The lower and upper jaw have teeth which help us to chew food, and the lower and upper jaw have what? The lower and upper jaw have lower also teeth and upper also teeth have teeth which help us to chew our what? Food. So till skull I am stopping. Now again I will explain next classes, but I will tell you just try to read from home again the skull and rib cage. When I will explain, it will help you a lot. For now, goodbye.